Right, so I've got the handle off. I don't think there's anything I can do about that wobble. There's no way I can get any circuits or anything on there, so I think it's just going to have to stay like that, unfortunately. Right, here we go, guys. So this is the window hinge that's broke, as you can see. Snapped up there. So we're going to get both of these changed out. We'd obviously do the bottom as well. You can see the weather's changed a bit from earlier. But yeah, we'll get this sorted. Good. Be it. The door's got a massive twist on it. Wow, look at that. Let's see if I can get this, show you how bad this twist is. It's at the top. It's nice and tight up there. Come down here. Look at that. Wow, crazy. Good morning, everybody. I hope you've had a wonderful weekend. It is a glorious day. The sun is shining, blue skies, a little bit fresh, but don't mind that. I mean, spring's on its way. We're on our way to a job in Brighton. A guy has got 3 sets of handles that are starting to fall off some kind of aluminium, I think they're aluminium doors. The screws are just starting to go a little bit big. What I can do is on each handle there's 2 screws, 1 screw top and bottom. The top screw can only be kind of small because otherwise it hits the lock case, but the bottom screw I can go all the way through, so I've bought some connecting screws so that the actual handles connect to each other through the handle, through the door. Yeah, but the top ones, I think all we can do is put some bigger screws in. And we're also going to try, I think the handles are a little bit wobbly, so I'm going to try and put a little bit of some circlips on the back as well, just to try and stiffen them up a little bit. And then I've got a job there's an Air BnB company in Brighton that I do work for, and I need to go and change a lock for one of their properties as well. So let's crack on. Alright, what we've got here, guys, is we've got these metal doors. Some of these handles, well, certainly ones inside have come loose, but we're going to change all of the screws to prevent this happening to the rest of them. So there's 3 sets, but I'll just show you 1 set. And also some of these are a little bit wobbly, so I'm going to try and see if I can get anything behind there just to try and sort that out. Even have a look at the grub screws, see if that's doing anything. But yeah, so I should be able to get the long screw, the connecting bolts, which are these ones here. So I should be able to get them through there, but the top, it's going to hit the lock obviously. So we just got to change the screws out to bigger screws. Right, so I've got the handle off. I don't think there's anything I can do about that wobble. There's no way I can get any circuits or anything on there, so I think it's just going to have to stay like that, unfortunately. Yeah, I just had to chat with the customer. What we're going to do, we're going to reuse the screws in the top, and the bottom ones will pass these long ones through. I've just got to drill out a little bit to get the connecting side. It's just not fitting in there, so just drill that out a little bit. Get the handles back on. Alright, there we go, guys. So that's that one done. So it's got a connecting bolt through that bottom screw like that. And the top screw's got it nice and tight. There's not really anything I can do about that. These are actually just like split pins. They're not even Allen keys. But yeah, 1 down, 2 more to go. Right, that's that one done and finished. I had to pop out and get some bigger screws on the two other doors. So there was 3 sets in total. But on the 2 other doors, the top screws were just spinning. they weren't tying in. So I went and got some M6 bolts, well M6 machine screws, and they pulled in beautiful. So yeah, he shouldn't have any problems with that anymore. So that one's all done. Right, I'm on my way now to the Air BnB to change the lock, and then I'm going to go home and do some paperwork. Boring. Alright, here we go, guys. So we've just got to change this cylinder out and this Euro cylinder. This is the Air BnB. So we're just changing that one and that one. Shouldn't take 2 seconds. Well, there we go. So we've got a new cylinder on there, and a new night latch cylinder as well. These are working. So we've got a new night latch cylinder there. Some reason, well, I think it's because of the design of that. This just keeps pulling over, but it's all working. And a new Euro deadlock cylinder. Thumb turn, obviously, because it's a Air BnB. So that should be it. The door's got a massive twist on it. Wow, look at that. Let's see if I can get this, show you how bad this twist is. It's at the top. It's nice and tight up there. Come down here. Look at that. Wow, crazy. So I'm probably going to have to pull this door in actually to get this locked, unless it's been adjusted for that. There we go. That's it. All right, that's this one done. So that's another job taken care of. While I was there, so I've just dropped the keys off to the Air BnB people. But while I was literally just finishing up, I just had a phone call for a customer in Hove that they've got a broken window hinge on a UPVC window. So yeah, we're going to go and have a take a look at that and get them changed over for them. So see you there. Right, here we go, guys. So this is the window hinge that's broke, as you can see. Snapped up there. So we're going to get both of these changed out. We'd obviously do the bottom as well. You can see the weather's changed a bit from earlier. But yeah, we'll get this sorted. Oh, by the way, look at this, new work mat. How cool's that? I've been waiting a couple of weeks for it to arrive, to be fair. But yeah, so I'll put that down in customers' houses and over their carpets and protect them. Right, so the first thing is just to get this old one out, which isn't going to be the easiest of jobs. It's actually quite a heavy window. Completely snapped there like this one. Right. Now the tricky bit, I've got to get it out, back in, get the hinges in position and get a couple of screws in it to hold it. So.
get the long ones going through the back plate from there, because it's a little bit thicker on there.
Right, here we go. So the window is closing. Wonderful. So we've got the a little keep bit missing there. So I'll have a look in the van, see if I've got any that will fit that. And then there's this bit of wood here that has been glued on. So might see if I can change that out for one as well. But yeah, windows shutting lovely, as you can see, up against the gasket. So what I'm going to do though is obviously I just wanted to get the window back in, but a couple of the screws, that one there's a little bit rusty. That one's okay. That one's okay. Up the top, yeah, that one's rusty. That one's okay. That one's rusty. So I might just change them out. Go and get some screws out the van and change them out. And the window's a little bit easy to use, so to tighten them up, just to make it a little bit more, sort of give it a bit more friction, you just, little flat-headed screw there, you just tighten it up a little bit. There's one down here as well. Tighten that up and that'll just give the window a little bit more friction and make it not so easy to use, because it's feels quite, yeah, a bit loose at the moment. So right, let's go get those bits out. Right, that's this job done, guys. So new screws in here, they actually pulled in much nicer, actually, a little bit thicker. Same up there. I've tightened up these little flatheads here and up there. It just gives the window a bit more friction now. That's all working lovely. These have been put these little stays on. I don't know what you call them. They're little plastic stays, but they've got little white little pipes almost that you put, so there's holes behind the frame. You slot them on and then you put these in and it expands like a little bit of plastic behind these points, and that's what holds them on. But yeah, got them on as well. So all that's left to do is a little glass with a little. Give us a subscribe and remember to give us a thumbs up on the video. And yeah, click that notification bell. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.